2017 question. The add-on of a chemical finish required on a fabric is 3% on the weight of fabric. If the wet pickup add-on is given as 3%, wet pickup is 80%, then the concentration of the finish required in the padding bath in percentage, weight per weight, accurate to 2 decimal places. If I talk about the solution for this, then the concentration of weight per weight is asked. Then the concentration in percentage is defined as add on upon wet pickup. Wet pickup both are in weight per weight into 100 percentage because it is asked in percent. So 3 upon 80 to 100%. All this, then 3.75 is getting.
Okay, so concentration formula is add on by weight pickup.
Add on concentration in percentage if you have to find out. If though these two things are given, add on and wet pickup are given, then you can calculate this by this formula, add on upon wet pickup into, or you can also do by another method. I tell you the method that I have told to you till now. Let's suppose the fabric weight is 100 kg
Hmm.
and add on is 3% on the weight of
3%.
fabric, so it
Yes,
is
3
3
kg.
kg. Getting?
Yeah.
So amount of dye required since wet pickup is 80%. So wet pickup is 80% means in 100 kg dye, only
80%
80
is
80 80% is a dye per finish. So 80 kg is absorbed. 80 kg is absorbed. Getting?
hmm.
So you have to write concentration in weight per weight, and you can divide this concentration. You have to how much dye is there in 80 kg. You have to find the concentration. Concentration is gram per gram. That is 3 upon 80.
No, like, oh, sorry. Just can you just 80 kg, right?
Huh?
That, can you just explain it again? Like
Wait a minute.
uh,
Wait. So
80% weight
this is
pickup.
it 3 kg,
Hmm.
3% add on the weight of fabric. This is
Hmm.
fabric weight. Fabric weight is 100 kg. It is supposed, and add on is 3% on the weight of 100.
Hmm.
So it is 3 kg, and
Hmm.
wet pickup is total weight is 100 kg, and only 80% is wet pickup. Wet pickup on
Yeah.
the weight of fabric. So the amount of the dye in the finish is 80 kg only.
Okay.
So concentration is what? Concentration is the total concentration means concentration basically the sense, if I talk about the concentration term. So concentration means in 80 kg how much is dye in
Yeah.
80 kg solution, how much. If it is 40 kg, then we will say, if it is 100 kg, then it is, we say 100% concentrated. If I more the weight of the dye, the higher the concentration would be.
Hmm.
Getting?
Yeah.
And this is calculated on 80 kg because 80% is the wet weight. Else we will calculate uh, on 100 kg. Getting?
Yeah.
So 3.75 is the answer. You have to write in 2 decimal places. Then this is the correct answer. Repeat unit of cellulose you have to find out in 2007. Repeat unit of cellulose is represented by this. This is OH. If I say about this is H, this is H, this is, and these are represented by H, H, So this is the structure of the cellulose. If I say this is the repeat unit, you can memorize this. Huh?
Okay.
Now this is the typical 1 mark question. Now the question says,
Oh, that is the answer.
this you have to tick. This is the answer. You have to find.
No, this I have to write.
No,
I
no,
didn't
no.
get.
Four options would be given, and you have to.
Oh, okay, okay.
So the next question says that polyester is dyed with a dispersed dye at 100 degrees Celsius and 120 degrees Celsius till equilibrium is achieved. This 2015 question. Till equilibrium is achieved. If DF and DS represent dye in fiber, if DF and DS represent dye in fiber and dye in solution, then the correct choice of the dyeing isotherm at the two different temperature will be, then the correct choice of the dyeing isotherm at two different places would be 120 degrees Celsius. This is, so if I talk about the concept of isotherm, polyester and disperse dye, which type of isotherm takes place?
Uh, this that is na that is langware
Nernst isotherm takes place in case of this
polyester disperse. Yeah.
polyester and disperse dye. Now, if I tell 100 degrees and 120 degrees, so this is how these figures are. Now, basically, what you have to see in question, that if I take, I told you K is equal to df upon ds, dye in fiber upon dye in solution. In this Nernst isotherm, what it takes as the temperature increases, the dye in fiber increases. As
Okay.
the temperature increases, the dye in fiber increases, and at lower temperature, the dye in fiber should be low. So here you can see that at 100 degrees Celsius, the dye in fiber is, the dye in solution is this. At 120 degrees Celsius, this is so. But at 120 degrees Celsius, it should be more than this, because the dye in fiber should be comparatively more than this. So at 120 degrees Celsius, if I tell you, wait, if I tell you at 120 degrees Celsius, df upon ds is,
Okay.
this is df upon. So at lower temperature, this df is low and this ds is. But at here at higher temperature, at lower temperature, this ds value is high.
Mm.
Getting, at a higher temperature, at lower temperature ds value is high, at lower higher temperature this ds value is low. So this is not, this is correct.
Okay. Actually, nast means just a straight line, right?
This is a straight line itself.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
This is nust. These all four options are nust isotherm, but how you have to choose is important. How you have
Yeah.
to choose, because in ds this should be more in case of higher temperature, and less in case of getting.
Mm.
So this was 20.